filming. What's his name?
His name's Kimmy.
Yeah, they're great dogs. I seen them already. I haven't seen one in a while though.
Kimmy, relax.
Yeah, he heard those dogs. I'm okay.
He's normally not so.
No, they're good little watchdogs. These dogs, I know them, but I seen them very few times. You know,
Yeah.
you don't see many of them. It's a nice treat to see them. Hi, baby.
Kimmy, relax.
How about that toy? Would he go for it? There you go.
Like I said, you'll run to him. He won't come back.
Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. It looks good on the video. Hi, baby. Timmy? What's his name?
Kimmy, K-I-M-I.
Timmy?
He's named after a driver.
Good boy. Come on, we'll go over here. Me and you. Come on. Come on. Come on, we'll go over here. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Good boy. No, they're great. They're great watchdogs. That, you know, to me, a dog. If you're gonna own a dog and it wouldn't bark at a stranger or something. It's not even worth owning, really. Beautiful dog. Beautiful color too on him.
Got the husky markings.
What do they have in them? Like Spitz? Like
Spitz. Pretty much all Spitz. A little bit of husky in the rest. Dude, chill out.
No, I'm strange to him. It's okay. Beautiful. I love to see them run around. Good boy. Good boy. It's okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. I'm okay. Got the American flag up there blowing in the wind. We got the beautiful dog here.
He just runs and hides from people.
Really?
Like when maintenance comes into my apartment and stuff, he'll go hide under the bed.
Really? But he looks like a great dog. Like, you know, good watchdog, you know, alert. He's having fun.
Yeah, he's still kind of a puppy. So
Yeah. How old is he?
months, give or take.
Yeah, he's a puppy still. He's a puppy. Hi, baby. A puppy.
There's a girl who just recently got a German Shepherd. Was complaining about, teething and all that stuff. Things like 8 weeks old.
Yeah, I filmed it the other day.
It only goes downhill from here until they turn 3.
Yeah. I was going to tell her earlier. She says, you know, sometimes you got to get him out on time before he goes. But I said, well, a puppy's going to eat a lot, so they got to go. So you got to keep constantly taking him out.
Yep.
Constantly taking him out.
Kimmy's settled down to where I can bring him out twice a day.
Yeah. Really, the best is 3 times a day for a dog. If you can get him out 3 times a day, it's perfect. If you get him in that routine, it's perfect. Because then you have a little bit of life for yourself, too.
Yeah.
You could go somewhere and not worry about the dog. Yeah, he's a beauty. What's the breed called, though?
He's a Jindo.
Jindo?
Yeah.
Korean dog.
Yep.
Jindo. I'll list it as that. Let's take a quick video. Jindo. I was just doing a video on watches. I have a YouTube channel.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I'll give you my card. Jindo. That's not his name. That's the breed.
Kimmy.
Timmy. Timmy?
Kimmy.
Tim?
With a K.
Kimmy. All right, I got it now. Kimmy.
Finish name.
Kimmy. Yeah. I know you. Kimmy. Come here. Kimmy. That's fine. Come on, Kimmy. Me and you go. Kimmy the Korean dog. Look at him go. He's fast. He's fast. All right, we're going to end it over here. Kimmy. Here. Kimmy. Here, Kimmy. Kimmy, here. Here, take the Met glove. They didn't win this year. Come on. Kimmy. There it is. Go, Kimmy. Fast. All right, we're going to end it here on Kimmy. Kimmy.